everyone. It's Saturday, March 13, and the time right now is 4:15, and the temperature is positive 14 degrees Celsius. I am at town of Canmore today. This is the famous Canmore Three Sister Mountain. Canmore is one of the most beautiful mountain towns in Canada. And Canmore is just west of Calgary and almost 40 minutes drive from Calgary. The weather is pretty awesome. Full of sunlight, and it's 14 degrees right now. Here is the sign of Canmore Town Center, Nordic Center, and Kananaskis. So I'm going to Town Center, Canmore. It's a beautiful mountain town. Oh, the view. The people are so lucky who live in Canmore. It's pretty close to Calgary though. It's only 40 minutes drive. And you can hear the train sound. Everywhere is mountain, mountain, and mountain. I don't know the name of the mountain peak here. I just know the Three Sister and the Hauling only. But every mountain peak has their own name. So you can see from here a little bit train. So I'm going to town center straight. And sorry guys, I'm going the opposite direction of the sun, so it's a little bit maybe dark. Check out the patio.
Because we all know they're actual, like, I don't know how Steve be acting, like, but there's no way this guy's acting on this, like.
And if you like my blog, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video updates. It's a human head.
It's French, then yeah.
And there is a boardwalk. Everyone is enjoying the weather. And pretty much all the patio is open right now. It's very nice and warm weather.
And I was asking them about that.
Just look at the crowd. It's more than Calgary. And I am at the intersection of 8th Street and 6th Avenue, Maras Way.
I think they would be high and say they're unmoving break now.
Well, and we can't go to that tavern, it's like that.
I think the next block.
If you come to Canmore, don't forget to visit the local store. They are very unique, and check out Canmore's local artist art. And
Okay, you understand you can't get everything. Alrighty, bug.
okay guys, I'm going to finish my walk here. Take care.